Every great pair of shoes begins with raw materials. Premium leather, durable fabrics, and high-quality rubber, carefully selected for strength, comfort, and style. This is where craftsmanship begins. The process starts with precision cutting. Advanced machines and skilled hands shape each piece with incredible accuracy. Every cut matters because perfection starts here. Patterns are carefully arranged and traced. Each design is engineered for both comfort and performance. It's a balance of art and engineering. Piece by piece, the upper comes together. Strong stitching binds the materials, ensuring durability and flexibility. Every thread plays a role in strength and design. Meanwhile, the sole is crafted. Molded under heat and pressure, it forms the foundation of the shoe. Built for grip, support, and long-lasting wear. Now comes the transformation. The upper and sole are joined together with precision and care. This is where separate parts become one complete structure. Edges are trimmed, surfaces are refined, and details are perfected. Each shoe is carefully polished to achieve its final look. Before reaching you, every pair undergoes strict quality inspection. From stitching to comfort, nothing is left unchecked. From raw materials to finished craftsmanship, a simple idea transformed into something you wear every day.